Today we're popping up birthday cake popcorn. Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. Today we're gonna be popping up birthday cake popcorn in our Whirley Pop. And we're gonna be doing a recipe right out of the Popcorn Genius recipe book. And we are going to turn to page 25 in the recipe book. Actually, it's on, page 25, birthday cake popcorn right in the recipe book. Here it is right in the recipe book here. And we're going to turn the page to the stovetop hand crank popper recipe. This is gonna be a great festive flavor, very tasty. Who doesn't like birthday cake? Birthday cake is amazing. And we're gonna be popping up that flavor with popcorn. So to do that, we're gonna be using some buttery goodness popcorn popping oil. This stuff is really great. It's a popping oil. It's also a topping oil. We're not gonna use it to top our popcorn today, but we are using this because it'll give it a little bit of a nice buttery undertone, kind of layer some of those flavors together. So really good. We also have some sprinkles, add a little festivity to it. And we're also going to be using birthday cake signature blend. This is a gold medal product. It smells great. It smells just like birthday cake. You can see it's like a white powder, and you can get this right online. And we're gonna mix this up with some sugar to make that nice coating for us. So we have our Whirley Pop here. We're actually gonna turn this on and we're gonna start to heat this up, okay? Let me check the temperature of our popcorn popper. We're at like 250 degrees inside of our popcorn popper, so we have a little bit more time for that to go. While that's heating up, we're gonna get our other ingredients ready. So I have a measuring cup here. We're gonna put in 1.5 ounces of oil. You can see that right there. So we have that ready to go. We're gonna take a check on our temperature again, see where we're at. Yeah, we're about 300 degrees, so we're getting there. This will heat up in no time. We have our oil ready, and we also have our kernels ready. We're using mushroom variety kernels today. They're gonna pop up nice and hearty, big and round. So we have a 1/2 cup of that. That's 4 ounces of kernels. We have our 1.5 ounce of oil. So in the recipe book, let me flip to that page again. It says we're gonna add the oil and popcorn kernels to the kettle and begin heating it. So I wanna make sure it gets up to the right temperature first. So we're just at 356 degrees. So that's perfect temperature. We're gonna add our oil, okay? And we're gonna add our kernels to that, okay? And we're gonna close this lid. We're gonna start to crank this. While that's happening, we're gonna get our sugar ready. We have a 1/4 cup measuring cup. We're gonna fill this about halfway with our sugar because we need about 1/8 cup of sugar. So let's get that in there. Perfect. And we're gonna be using a teaspoon. I gotta keep spinning that every once in a while. I should keep turning it, but I'm trying to get this ready for us too. I have our birthday cake. We're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of our birthday cake mix in here. I hear this popping already. That's a good sign, and it is popping already. So I have our sugar and our birthday cake. I'm gonna give it a little mix, okay? And we're gonna put that right into our pot because we're already popping. We're gonna keep cranking this because we don't want it to burn. We want it to keep moving. You can see that those kernels in there. You might not be able to, but while we're spinning this, those kernels are going around and around, okay? And we're gonna keep cranking this around. This is a great time to tell you about today's sponsor, which is kettlecornmachine.com. Check them out. They sell these giant kettles where you can make your own kettle corn for fairs and farmers markets. Great, great product they make. They make an 80-quart popper, which is amazing. We have one. We absolutely love it. So be sure to check them out. Head over to kettlecornmachine.com. Tell Destiny Popcorn Genius sent you. She's gonna take great care of you. All right, we're really popping up here and good now. This is awesome. Oh yeah, I can smell that birthday cake going. It smells great. It smells just like cake. Fantastic. We're going good. I can smell that. We can hear it popping. We're gonna keep listening for this. And as soon as it starts to slow down, that's when we're gonna turn off our heat, take this off the heat, and we can stop cranking. But for now, just cranking a little bit more. It's starting to, I feel like it's slowing down a little bit. I can feel by the crank that it's getting harder to crank. That means there's more popcorn in there and it's pretty full. So that is a good sign. And I think we're good. So I'm gonna take that off the heat, turn this off. Right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sprinkles and we are going to open this up and we're gonna sprinkle these right in there. Just like that. You can see that okay. And we're gonna just crank this around a little bit. Get those stirred in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how cool that looks. Let's add a little bit more. We wanna do this while it's hot because we want those sprinkles to melt just a little bit so they stick to that sugar and that caramel stuff. All right, look at that. All right, I think we're good. We take this off. We just take this off by squeezing this trigger right here and it pops this off for us. And we're gonna take a look at it. Ooh, this is still nice and hot. Take a look at that. Look how good that looks. Look at inside this pot, how nice. Inside the Whirley Pop, look at all that nice popcorn in there. Look how good that looks. Let's look at this piece right here. Just caught my eye. Look how nice and glazed up that is. Awesome. So we have our popcorn here. I have those few pieces that I already showed you on camera. I haven't tried it yet. Smells nice and sweet. You could smell the cake. It's very interesting. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, nice and sweet, but not too sweet. It's like, got this nice sugar coating on it. You can taste the cake flavor, the sprinkles, I love that. You can always add more sprinkles if you want more color. What a delicious, delicious flavor. You could even add a little salt to it. It'll make that sugar pop just a little bit more. But that is awesome. So good. Birthday cake popcorn. You can make that for a birthday party. Great favor to give out to folks if that's what you want to do. Or it's just great on a nice Friday night. Watch a movie, have some birthday cake popcorn. Really, really good stuff with your Whirley Pop. So you can make great popcorn just like that right at home. You just need a little simple stovetop popper and some sugar and you're ready to go. So remember, in life and with popcorn, you just got to get out there and get popping.